Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the E major open chord. E major open chord. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Now, the E major open chord is made up of E, G sharp, and B. The first, the third, and the fifth. E, G sharp, and B. Now, this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Now, the first note we're going to play is on the sixth string. That's going to be your E. We'll leave that open. Then, on your fifth string with your middle finger, second fret, you'll play the B. Then, on the fourth string with your ring finger, on the second fret, you'll play the E. And then on the third string, with your first finger on the first fret, you play that G sharp. And then on the second string, you'll leave it open for a B. And then on the first string, you leave it open for an E. Now practice strumming. And then also practice those notes individually. For a nice, clean sound. Now, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoyed this video on the E major open chord.